A summer now, you know.
When you want to see some crazy epic things.
We go take on the road.
Monumental,
We go take on the road, guys. And summer would me in it to enjoy myself too. They are with me, baby, you know this straight up. Violator get a head bust like cake cut. Love you, baby. What did them? Think of chattings? Bang, bang, boom!
What's good, YouTube? You don't know your girl Ali the right, so.
You don't see the king, though.
Yeah, guys, we in the same clothes. If you watch the video before,
what kind of feel?
You see we in the same clothes. Yeah, we are giving you content back to back to back, straight chop.
Anything for the tube.
Yeah. So guys,
you in the black shirt,
the blue shirt, the brown shirt, whichever shirt you
wear.
Knock
off Nike.
A knock off Nike?
I don't know about it. You see one split got you to can Nike, a twike. Anyway, guys.
I'm rude, you see? Yeah, guys. We rather we.
Anybody know what girl thing knows? I'm blunt, I'm blatant, I'm straightforward.
Yeah.
Me nah hold down nothing.
Cho.
Did I do that?
You want to plug them? See people like them? Yeah, guys. So if you see by the title, you know what we'll be talking about. How has our journey been on this platform? So we're gonna basically tell you how we start this channel, right?
I know this channel. How we start? Why we start YouTube? How we start YouTube?
How we start YouTube in general.
Alright, guys. Let me start it.
Alright, run it up.
So me I rock it.
Hey, rock it.
All them shit.
Rock it. All them shit. Come no man, from what they might try to take up the dancing thing and the man dance and who are challenging.
Enter dancing dynamite.
Guys,
enter dancing dynamite.
Well, Anna, I have a proposal for you guys. I want you guys to help me and send over some YouTuber for challenge King in a dancing competition and a box off. I'm want to roll it for do the box off with him.
Yeah, idiot. And so really short and take your fool like
for do the dancing.
King, me dance off with King.
Yeah, and King from King&Ally with the dance off. Come on, see what the fighter and what the dance.
So you see right now, guys, they're going to just go right tonight.
Let's talk about our journey.
Say, my day at work, one day, my day at work, Zane, I'm going to call her. I don't know what the reason. See me? But she in this world by herself, you know? So me I said, "Cho, I want to be here, man." So she said, "Read more and talk to you." And I said, "Alright, here we go." Them time there, we live separate. We live.
Yeah, we never live together as yet.
I say, watch you now. Saturday when we are, no, Sunday when we are go out on the date.
Yeah, guys, we always go on our dates.
All the vibes.
Yeah.
Alright, so we go out on the date and end up carry her home with me. You understand? And
That's
I say,
go home together?
Yeah, mom, end up carry her home with me. And I sit down under my arm and my ackee tree in my yard in the settee. You see the settee the way out where? Yeah.
Far where you come from?
So I sit down under the settee you know, under the ackee tree, guys, and here I to me now. Here I look on big bad chef like Chef Reed. The girl king. Here she go look on me. So, Reed. Say yes, babes. I go start one YouTube channel now. I'm look on her and say, what you say? She said, I go start one YouTube channel and I'm just going to say,
Him laugh in my face and shame me when I said let us start a YouTube channel, not knowing the plans I had or what I had in my intention. Well, I'm a talk, you don't give your part. Let me continue. Him don't know the plans I had or what I have in my intentions, and when him do, just crashed my dreams. I'm hopes to see people.
Well, see her face, just.
You see people, like, you see when you
we just crush our feelings right
guys. You see when you have dreams and you have ideas, execute them by yourself. Don't tell people, make them see it for themselves. And you see how him crush my dreams? Yeah.
So you know say after I crush it up like paper and set up my rubbish bin and say I'm gonna go out the door and you know me smoke, so I'm gonna take 2 draws from my weed and come back in and say, my girl, you take man for clown.
Yeah.
How you take me for idiot?
Cost me on top of the embarrassment, you know? Cost me.
Yeah, me I tell you this, my girl, man, a star. You hear that? Me not play a loop, me not play certain games. I want to tell my girl, oh yo. What did
me, cost me out.
YouTube. Yeah, idiot. So anyway, you know, guys, I'm there and
cost me, and I feel so
wicked
shame, embarrassed.
I say, oh, what the girl let take me for? Because them time I don't know nothing about the thing, because remember me a DJ, you see me? Position Vino Paramino Sanya. Collect the money, girl, you better than Latanya. Loving the look when you wind to the song, yeah. Cute like Lisa, every man I give you honor. You no fly dress, but you need that dollar intelligent bride, baby, you full of grammar. Pan your head top or your paws like a comma. If a competition, you want gone with the banner. Yeah, guys.
Yeah, guys.
I say, you don't know me a DJ, so I have YouTube as a music thing, you know? So I say, yo, anything I do on YouTube, my girl, I must music. Girl King Vivo, they say it's straight. What kind of YouTube we are talking about? What we are going to do on YouTube? Because, as I tell them, I don't know about the thing. So you know, so one day, come in from work, in a pandemic, just lick. Just touch down, so poof.
When it did just
touch down in the airport.
Chuck suit and my Air Force. Alright then.
All of the girl them love me.
All the one who say me
ugly.
We not get them there.
Alright. My designer. She give me a fake night, the minor.
No.
Alright.
Sure.
Now my fake night. Big up my fake night.
Guys, we are gonna hold on, let me talk to the people about that. Let me tell you something, guys. Me as a person like this, I rather wear clothes one a brand than wear fake brand. You feel me?
People, you see if you know Girl King?
You don't want me to finish? Let me finish
but
now.
I have to fix them good and proper. I wear when me like.
Alright.
I buy a shoes for 15 grand and it's not and it didn't even have a brand name. It didn't have a name or you will recognize, but through me know where the country where it come from and I know the
value and the quality.
Yes, I will buy that.
Guys,
I buy a shoes for 30,000 and it's not a Clarks and it's not a Kickers. Reality that I have a lot of these things I wear. I'm not going to say, just go on Instagram.
And I rather wear simple things than wear fake designer or wear fake brand. You feel me?
Yeah.
And then again too, I'm a simple person.
You
know wear with me comfortable.
What shirt your name?
What name?
You can call it Mark Fashion, I bet.
No, I'm a fashion.
What name?
Song Shang Zhang.
Song Cheng Chong Cheng.
I'm Chinese and I like my stuff like.
Chong Cheng.
Yeah, guys. So we wear comfortable in. So if you see, alright, mama tell. Guys, hold on. Me have to pause and give them. No, man. I have to pause and give them a little break in this.
Because you just have to get mad on cross
people,
again.
You see, if you see me, and you see me in a one kerchief on my head, and you see me in a one shirt and a little shorts, that is how I am comfortable. So I don't want nobody to come to me and look for me for say, oh yeah, YouTube, I do this, I do that. I wear what I am comfortable with. I'm not going to fake nothing, and that's just it. Period.
No, we not fake it and we not fake it before we make it, because that's some people talk. I'm not depend on that.
Guys, we do what we want and we be ourselves.
I live my life how I feel comfortably. I feel like if do a madman prank and I go to a door now and tear up body pants, judge I care less.
Exactly. People wear what they're comfortable
anyway,
in.
Guys. Anyway, she straight from the topic.
We did have to take a break and discuss that because let's go.
Yeah, so anyway guys, so I'm coming in one evening from work now. Pandemic just touched down as I tell you up there, so. Yeah, say, when the pandemic just touched down, you know, because the first patient we catch it in a March. At a March? Sometime in March. Boom. Country start get away.
Yeah.
People get shaky, the whole supermarket them sell out everything. I'm saying, I have to get myself in a lineup. But guys, I did always a safe because I'm smart, you know. I'm not stupid. I did always want to open my own restaurant. I did always want to be my own boss. I did always want to be a man. I did always want to be that person where me can employ somebody. You understand? So before the pandemic, I always had this in my intention. It's not because of the pandemic. You see me, I build up this and you see me push out them poster there and you see me keep them party. Not that party, guys, cookouts.
Oh, we forgot to mention we cook out in another video. That's how we got to remember.
But guys, what I expect the owner is this. I realize I'm going to need a backup plan. I'm a great chef and all of that, but I'm going to need a backup plan. So I stay in a boom and I start research YouTube.
Yeah, we learn it off our own and we're still learning.
Guys, I never did even know how to upload a video. Make sure tell you the first upload where I try on the first channel.
Guys, and bear in mind,
we research, we go but ask Google a bag of question. Google send one bag of place.
Guys, before we start this channel, our first channel is our cooking channel. Cooking with Chef Reed and Chef Alexander, that's our first channel.
So yeah guys, I'm telling you, you see the first time me I try upload a video, not even me, I try upload a video, it was nerves wracking, it was like hell. It was like going through hellfire. Guys, remember, we're novice to this, we don't know where we are doing. But go as far as research till me think we have to create a YouTube account differently. You understand, guys? Me research, and you know what was the plan? All we had to do was to just click upload. That's all we had to do, guys. Click upload. You understand? And me have she. I say, yo, my girl, we need for password for this, password for that. When we never know, say, all along, the Google account was the YouTube account. Because it seemed like Google and YouTube have some partnership, or Google own YouTube, or YouTube own Google. What you have to say?
So that was basically it, a whole roller coaster for us, but we come to the conclusion at the end of the day, and we did it.
And the first video we upload, guess what, guys? Copyright.
Oh yeah.
First video we upload. Because I tell you, we don't know nothing about YouTube. The man beyond the chef.
If you subscribe to our chef channel, you will realize that we're talking about that channel.
We don't know nothing about YouTube, guys. Nothing. And right now, we still not to know much, but the little what we learn from our research and what we self-taught, because our journey is basically self-taught, right?
Our journey is a learning process for us.
We don't have nobody where
we don't have no guidance.
We don't have nobody around. We don't have nobody in our circle where really have great knowledge of this. So all of the knowledge where we have, our we gain from reading and doing our research. Because me decide say since the pandemic we have to get something done. It's not say we lose a job or but me realize say if we don't do something I gotta do we. And that is just the reality. And me have YouTube as a promotion thing for our career.
So true.
You understand? So and if you realize in a King&Ally we always talk about Chef Riddle and Chef Alexander and we life pertaining to our cooking journey, and we even go as far as giving us some outdoor cooking. You understand?
Over years so.
So when you really understand say.
And guys, sorry for cut you. Being over King&Ally and doing cooking, that is just natural for us. As we always say, cooking is our passion. So if you see we over here start the cooking, that's just it. That's not just our passion, and over our cooking channel we do cooking just the same. So
but remember guys, are two different cooking, you know.
So true.
Two different cooking. This is like a outdoor vibes, a beach vibes, a camp. Alright guys, we have a big surprise that come for you. You want to give them a heads up?
No.
Alright, so
turn on the notification bell.
So you get that. It's going to come like it's a vlog vibes.
Vlog vibes. So make sure you keep up to date with the different parts.
And the basically campfire, bonfire vibes. You know them Indian movie there where the night scene right there. Check it out.
Coming to you.
Check it out
very soon.
And we don't honestly we have split up the video then forget content. No guys. Me and you know say Uno not sit down and watch a video for 1 hour or 2 hours.
Not at all.
Me and Uno know that.
So we have to cut the video smaller where you can enjoy it. So you might see some of them part 1, part 2. You understand? And I know say you appreciate it that way because you know.
You have a follow up. It comes like a series.
If you know what series show, you don't know so when series 1 done or when season 1 done, you not just get season 2 just the same. So just keep up and appreciate it so you not get it the day after.
Or 2 days or a day after.
The day after.
Every other day we post.
Yeah.
So you understand? So anytime you see we want to take it on, we want someone now we know.
When you want to see some crazy epic things.
We're going to take on the road.
Monumental,
we're going to take on the road, guys. And someone would be in it to enjoy myself, to although we are promote with.
Even though it's a pandemic, we are
although we are promote to profession and all of that, me in this for enjoyment.
And remember,
and
it's
love
a pandemic.
That's when me enjoy myself. Me's a crazy man, you know.
Like for explore and adventure.
Me do some crazy things, you know. You realize me, people might say me not grow up or I might act immature and all of that. I'm not act immature. I'm just enjoying my life.
And guys, if you see we some place, just give you a shout out King&Ally. I know not gonna see we in the streets or some crazy things.
Young. If you don't tell me say me not look young, if you don't tell me say me not look young,
you all man.
Tell me say me not look. Watch this. Watch ya man. Tell me say me not look young.
Feel himself? All man.
You tell me say hey.
You might feel himself,
yes, so,
guys.
as me telling the guys, the journey tedious.
But we're making it
It's not
out.
easy for we on the platform, and I see people that say YouTube pays and all of that. If we did I say, yo, we are going to live off of YouTube.
In it for the money.
In it for the money, we would have stopped to this long time.
We'd have give up.
Me in this, and me I tell you this because we want to support.
Yeah, guys.
me up on the platform, I have to enjoy myself.
Not just you, we.
We up on the platform
Yeah.
to enjoy myself, and other than enjoying myself, me I promote my business.
Yes.
Because we are going to keep a lot of cookouts. We are going to have a lot
Make we
of...
talk about that because we did forget to talk about it in the other video. That's what I was trying to remember. So if you see we in the same clothes, yeah, we do one video before. So this is the part where we did try remember. We'll be doing a cookout sometime in August. We don't have the definite
We not
date
set the
as
date
yet.
because we work with Andrew. We don't want
Set the
set
date,
the date and
then
then Andrew go say, Ray.
curfew,
You
2
understand?
o'clock.
But
That don't make no sense.
we start promoting to put out a poster already.
we are gonna put it on the screen. Where
A
we
virtual
can see.
poster, guys. You understand? So you can't touch it and you only can look
Just
and read.
screenshot it and
understand?
see it. And if you follow our Instagram, you will see that we post it up over there all the time. So follow us.
Yes, you need to go over the gram because it got up on the story like every day because we not start promote it and then we're not gonna just come and boom with the date. So no.
We are going to brace enough for
Very
that
soon
as
I
well.
get the date, guys. You see me because we don't want to do this and then Andrew just crush your heart. So. I just said the art there.
Yeah, right, left and
And then left.
corner.
We feel like we didn't make a mistake. We think of it on the side there, you know.
Whichever way,
so-
you know what we are talking about,
So guys, that's really it. You understand? So I want to come support the thing them and so forth. And my plan to go full time in our business. In a I believe I want to call the company name because
Guys, certain
it's
things.
a true in a register and you know how the
Guys,
you
just
know
look
how
out
the
for
thing
it.
they go.
Just look out for it. So
Isn't
if you
it?
see something pan,
see, anytime you see me go down a company's office and get this company license, me talk about it brawling.
yeah, guys. But until we have the written paper and written, you know, we are keep it on the low profile. But we have
Yeah.
big things coming for you guys. Don't
Only for
worry.
thing I come and remember we always been doing functions and all of that. So
And guys, you don't
feel free
know.
to hook us up. Check out the chef channel. You see, we're well talented. Gas channel, me all of them things there. Fine dining,
Powerful.
you name it, we have it. If you
Yeah.
don't check birds,
No man, Anna Birds.
it's a
How it go?
you get you hurt. It hurt.
It hurts if you don't check birds. So
birds.
it hurt if you don't check cooking with Chef
So
Reed and Chef
it
Alexander.
got hurt, and it got put left a dent in your heart. You know, say you come over the channel and you see them good content there,
And you not subscribe.
and you know, say you not subscribe,
And you know you
and
not call
you
for
have
the
and you know you
function.
have a wedding round the circuit,
And you don't call
and
me.
you not call me, and you know, say and them standard of thing
And
they
then
are
you hear
get
the people and
and
start
quality.
complaining and you feel
understand?
bad.
And
That
then
don't
when you
make
hear
no
people
sense.
start, when name start ringing on the ears like bell and I say, Johnny, you know,
me
say I
shoulda,
had the opportunity to,
and
and
me
I
shoulda,
did not.
And
and
if
the
me
very-
did, no.
Don't
Live with
wait
regret.
till it reach your doorstep. Do it now.
Yeah.
You
So just,
can email us.
you
You
can,
can Instagram us. You can
leave a comment.
You can
and
leave
we
a
will-
comment and we'll
yeah.
reply.
Yes, guys. So as it regards, the journey has not been easy. We're still there. Here, I want to know one app where we can use go live. So if you know an app, you can comment it down below. If you have any tips or ideas on growing your channel or however, you can leave it down in the comment section or text us.
I'm growing, as I tell you, when
on
I reach nowhere
Instagram.
yet and when I really have no big, we even have a fan base.
We have a fan base.
But
We're not
you
talking about
not
subscribers.
understand, you not get it. We don't have a fan base. When I say we don't have a fan base, we don't have we don't have that big.
But we still
we
have a fan
we don't have
base.
the wide something about. We have people who loved us. We love loyal supporters. You see me? Me not call on the fans. Loyal supporters. You understand? Because a fan is somebody who expect an autograph, or when them seen on the street, them, you know, you guys are loyal supporters because whenever we post a content, you guys are there to watch it.
And we really appreciate
and
it.
we can tell you, and everybody watch it, all of them, but when you put in the work when you get the chance to. Because
we really appreciate
the numbers
it.
them are coming and it shows in the views. Because we have 302 of you guys and we see it at work.
Yeah, guys.
It's a little bit and it at work.
We really appreciate it. Thanks for each comment. Thanks for each like. Thanks for just clicking on the video and being here for us. We really appreciate it. It's heartwarming and heart melting when we're reading the comments to see how you guys love us being here. And when we see we in the streets and we give it the compliments and the comments, we really appreciate it. So
I know say from when I reach us and by accident.
So watch the video.
Max the length.
Alright. Yes, guys.
Actually, we're talking everything factually. And you know our hairstyle naturally.
Hey.
We're cool and we chrome like cucumber. Everything I said them want.
Susumba.
No,
Cucumber
no.
and susumba.
We're cool and we chrome like cucumber.
Alright.
I want the summer bitter like susumba.
Hey. Ba. Summer come and we want to get up that big slumber.
You think this a tumba?
Alright. Sky blue but and a blue thunder. Come now, man.
Kunga.
It a go ring in your
Yo,
head
right
like
now, guys, people that say I'm rambunctious.
You know the advertisement there?
But I'm rambunctious, we're rambunctious. We're just full of vibes like rum, yeah? Tell us how we sweet bubble gum, yeah?
Alright.
Full of vibes just like rum.
Give them peace, give them peace.
Like rum.
Give them peace.
AK gang we are talking about.
Alright.
And we not talking about fake gun.
We are.
We're full of vibes just like rum.
Bang, bang.
Bang, 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 boom. Bang, 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 bang.
Boom.
Talk to me, eh? Talk to me, eh? Me sound like a scratch record, though. Me sound like a scratch record, though. Talk to me, eh? Talk to me, eh? Me sound like a scratch record, though. Me sound like a scratch record, though.
Guys,
Yeah.
that is it. And if you want, as I say, give us any tips in growing, feel free to do that in the comment section or on our Instagram if you would like. So, you know, that's just what this little video is about, our journey on this platform so far. And I must say again,
I appreciate you, know.
yeah.
I love you, know. And all of my friends and my foes, love you, know, too.
Yeah. So, we are going to just leave you with the thought for today.
We know wish bad for nobody.
Alright then.
All when me not like you, all when you not like me, me still no wish no bad for
We
you.
don't have a bad heart. Our heart is very clean
Because
and good.
I already lose all a friend. So my eye them bread, me not talk ball.
That's not
And
good,
this
yeah.
enough of that. We not going night.
Okay.
Because I can't spell it out. I just
Alright.
left them with that.
Guys, remember, people die, memories never do. And you don't know, appreciate the people you have around you. You don't know the time, the hour, the minute they're gonna leave you. So just appreciate them.
I still wait for you, you know.
Appreciate people, guys. Live good. It doesn't matter what people tell you can or cannot do. You know what is within you. Just ask the Lord for strength and you will deliver and you will achieve. And remember, in everything you do, put God first. So we'll just
You
leave you
see?
with that.
And that's why, see me I tell you, so some of my friends drop out right now. And that's why I have to come back, come leave you know, with this. And from we don't go there, I wonder how the outro just stop this.
That's
up.
our outro, guys.
What some man where you par with some girl where your wife up, my friend, give me a knife cut. I'm out.